Are you ready for an adventure in the city of love? Paris, where every corner is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the most Instagrammable spots in Paris, the top 5 selfie locations that will make your followers green with envy and make your Paris trip unforgettable. And let's be real, it's not a real trip to Paris unless you take a selfie in front of the Eiffel Tower. So before we go further, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. First on our list is the world-renowned Louvre Museum. As one of the most famous museums in the world, the Louvre offers a wealth of history and culture. But it's not just about the artworks. The glass pyramid in the courtyard is an architectural masterpiece waiting to be explored. Get a shot in front of the Mona Lisa, and explore the underground levels of the pyramid for a one-of-a-kind selfie. Just make sure you don't accidentally take a selfie with the Mona Lisa's security guard. Next up is the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. Its Gothic architecture is truly breathtaking, and you'll want to make sure to snap a picture in front of the famous rose window for a truly Instagram-worthy shot. But don't just stop there. Climb to the top of the cathedral for a breathtaking view of the city, and don't forget to take a selfie. It's a climb worth it for the view and the selfie. Just make sure to pack your climbing shoes and some snacks. It's quite a hike. Third on our list is the Pont des Arts. This famous bridge is known for its love locks, making it a popular spot for couples. But it also offers a great view of the Seine River and the Eiffel Tower in the background, making it a perfect spot for a selfie. Bonus points if you can get a love lock in the background of your shot. Take a walk over the bridge and explore the nearby neighborhoods for a true Parisian adventure. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not add your own love lock to the collection? Fourth on our list is the Champs-Élysées. This famous street is lined with high-end shops and cafes, and is also home to the Arc de Triomphe. Walking down the Champs-Élysées is a must-do in Paris. Take a selfie in front of the Arc de Triomphe, especially at night when it's lit up. And don't forget to explore the underground tunnels beneath the arch for a unique and adventurous experience. And if you're feeling peckish, grab a crepe or a croissant while you're at it. It's all part of the Parisian experience. Last but not least is Montmartre. Known for its bohemian atmosphere and stunning views of Paris, this hilltop neighborhood is a must-visit. Don't miss the famous Sacré-Cœur Basilica, which offers a beautiful panoramic view of the city, and is perfect for a selfie. Also, the famous Place du Tertre is a great spot for a selfie with all the street artists around. Take a walk down the winding streets and discover the hidden gems of this neighborhood. It's an adventure worth taking. And don't forget to stop by one of the local cafes for a coffee and a croissant. It's the perfect way to end your Montmartre adventure. So there you have it, the top 5 selfie hotspots in Paris that you can't miss. From the iconic Louvre Museum to the stunning Notre Dame Cathedral, we've shown you the best spots to snap the perfect picture and make your followers envious. But it's not just about the perfect shot. We've also taken you on an adventure as we explore the hidden gems and unique experiences these locations have to offer. Don't forget to share your selfies on Instagram and don't forget to tag us. Paris is always a good idea, and so is an adventure. Au revoir. And remember, it's not a real trip to Paris unless you take a selfie in front of the Eiffel Tower, so make sure to get that one last shot before you go. And don't forget to have fun. That's what a Parisian adventure is all about. If you're enjoying the content on my channel, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to stay updated on my latest videos. Your support means a lot to me and helps me to create even more great content. Thanks for watching.